Are you looking for a Toyota extended warranty? Look no further. I have all the information for you. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I'm going to be talking about a woman named Jennifer Taylor. She's located in Dundee, Michigan, and she works at Wolverine Toyota. And she is the most ethical person you'll ever talk to over the phone, via email, and if you're lucky enough to meet her in person. She is unbelievable. Now, let's get to the reason why I brought her up. I was looking for an extended warranty for my Toyota Prius Prime 2018, and I found it very difficult to believe that it costs $4,500 or more for an extended warranty. Now, I found out down the line that these people are actually price gouging us for something that's worth way less. So in other words, if you're getting charged $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for an extended warranty, you're getting ripped off. So this woman that I'm going to get in touch with will give you the correct price for your extended warranty. She'll go into grave detail with all the specifics. You have to mention JoeteckTips, okay? She's going to give you a fantastic deal once you mention JoeteckTips, okay? So, and I also need to disclose that I do not get any money for this whatsoever from her. I actually requested her not to give me any money. I'm just extremely impressed with how much money she has saved me that I told her I was going to make this video, and she was shocked. She's, oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm not getting a penny from her. I do not want any money from her. I'm paying it forward, letting you guys know and how much money you can save by talking to this woman. I'm going to have the information located here, her contact information, her telephone number, her email address, anything that you need will be here. You know, like I said, you have to mention JoeteckTips, and she's going to give you a price lower than any place that you'll ever find, ever. Okay? So her name is Jennifer Taylor. She works at Wolverine Toyota in Dundee, Michigan. And I will post her phone number here on the screen. Now, I can't stress this enough. You must call her if you're looking. Now, this is only for a Toyota warranty, only for a Toyota extended warranty. Oh yeah, I do want to mention that you can get an extended warranty refund if you sell or trade in your car. You can call corporate, or actually Jennifer Taylor could also help you as well with that. So if you trade in your car to the dealership, you could actually get a refund check of the balance of what's left over on your extended warranty from the other car. I got a $143 check. Home run, baby. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. As always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'll have all the information in the description below, as well as on the screen. Take care, and we'll see you next time. And if you want to get future notifications, please click that bell. Have a good one.